I am about to say something that might hurt a little. QuickBooks doesn't fix messy inventory. It multiplies it, and if you are a food or CPG distributor, this problem is quite costing you money every single day. I have seen distributors lose thousands just because the same product was created 5 times different prices. Today, I will show you why this happened, how it impacts your business, and what to fix before migrating to or connecting to QuickBooks Online. Hey, what's up everyone? I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and welcome back to Orders in Seconds by the Wholesale Pro, the channel where we break down how to scale your distribution business, breaking your operation. We work with wholesales, food and CPG distributors every day. And this is one of the biggest mistakes we see when companies move to QuickBooks Online. Most distributors didn't start with fancy systems. You know that. They started with spreadsheets, paper, or legacy software, and inventory grew without standards. Fast forward 10 years, and now you got Coke 12 ounces, Coca-Cola can, Coca-Cola 12 ounces, Coke single, spoiler alert, same product for different SKU. And when you migrate that into QuickBooks Online, boom, bad reports, wrong pricing, inventory errors, and teams saying, I don't trust the system, I just use Excel. This doesn't happen because people are careless. It happens because businesses grow fast, sales creates products to close deals, warehouse creates products to receive inventory, accounting creates products to invoice, and nobody owns the master product list. So QuickBooks ends up tracking chaos instead of inventory. Here's what messy inventory actually breaks. Inventory stocks out when product exists, overstock on slow movers. Finance wrong cost of goods, so fake margins. Bad inventory valuations. Operation pickers grabbing wrong items, shipping delays. Sales wrong pricing on invoices, inconsistent quote. Sales basically control chaos. It works, but it's stressful. Let me ask you and drop this in the comments. How many times have you seen the same products duplicated in your system with different names? If you answer it's way too many, welcome to the club. At Orders in Seconds, we are a certified QuickBooks solution provider, and we work with food and CPG distributors every day. Before migrating or connecting to QuickBooks Online, we always recommend cleaning your product catalog, remove duplicates, standardize naming, fix pricing, normalize unit of measure, disable dead SKUs, add product images, because QuickBooks isn't magic. It's powerful, but only when your data is clean. If you're thinking about QuickBooks Online or already using it, but your inventory is a mess, book a demo with us. We'll review your operation, your challenges, and show you exactly how Orders in Seconds connect sales, inventory, and accounting without chaos. Link is in the description below. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell, because here we keep it real about growing your distribution business. I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and I will see you in the next video.